you feeling in this program?
I'm feeling very good to be attending this international children's film festival today. It's a very, very special feeling. I think that, of course, children are our future. They are the soul of our country. To be part of something, to be a part of something, to have been called for this year in Hyderabad is a very special feeling. जो हम सब में एक बच्चा है अंदर, तो we should always keep the child alive, and all the best to this whole team for continuing to have more and more of children's film festivals, and I only hope that it grows.
Do you think that particular movies for children must come?
I definitely feel like children's films are so important, not only for children but even for adults, because there is so much that you can learn just by being in a child's company and also watching a children's film. So there's so much entertainment, so much to learn from a children's film. Yes.
Who has been the most inspiring character as a child?
So one of my films used to be King Uncle, Jackie Uncle's film. I used to love that film so much, and of late it's been Stanley Ka Dabba, which is a fabulous film. Then Tare Zameen Par. Oh, another one of my most favorite films is Chiller Party also. So I really love children's films a lot.
Last question, please. Okay. So, Shraddha, we have seen a lot of films in the regional category, category like China, movies from Japan and Russia have also come. So, tell me, if you get an opportunity to work in a children's film, what kind of film you would like to work?
I would love to work in a children's film. I think that for me it will be a privilege to work in a children's film. I've just not been offered one yet. Thank you everyone. Thank you.